Hey Sydney, it's Dave. Sorry about last night. I don't know what happened to Wyzant, and then after that, about a half hour, I had internet issues. So I'm making the videotape for you now, and hope this helps. All right, so what's given is in red and in blue. So I'm going to do what we're going to work out in green. And because these lines are parallel, I know that this angle is congruent to this angle by alternate interior angles, parallel lines. And so I have 90-degree angle, 90-degree angle, and then two congruent angles. That means that this angle has to be congruent to this angle right here. So the triangles are indeed similar. The only a little confusing part is they don't quite line up the way that you would think. So the easiest way to do it, or not easiest, but one way to do it is to break out the two triangles and label what we know. So this is A, this is B, this is C, this is 5, and this is 6. And we have one arc here and two arcs here. Then I'm going to rotate the bigger triangle like this. And so we have, oops, sorry about that. We have triangle DAC. And all we know here is that AC is 6 as far as lengths go. And then this, it has the two arcs, and this has the one arc. And we're looking for the length of CD, so I'm just going to call that X. So let's make a similarity statement. So I'll just start easy with ABC, triangle ABC is similar to triangle, and this is where you have to be careful. You look here, and I went from the single arc to the right angle. So to make a correct similarity statement, to make sure we have corresponding parts and angles, I have to go from the single arc here to the right angle. So it's similar to CAD, and that way you can line up your corresponding parts. Okay, and not by the picture, but by the congruence statement. So if I say, I know the length of AB here, so I'm going to say AB. By the way, we know if triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional. AB, the first two letters in the first triangle, is proportional to the first two letters in the second triangle. And so then I know AC, that's the hypotenuse, is corresponds to the hypotenuse of the big triangle, which is X. Well, I know that AB is equal to 5, and I know that CA over here is equal to 6, and then AC right here is 6, and this is X, so we cross multiply. We get 5X equals 36, and divide by 5, and we get X equals 36 over 5, which is equal to 7 1/5. And I believe one of the answers was 7.2. So there you have it. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Just respond to my email. And again, sorry about that I didn't see this right away. But here you go. Hopefully that helps.